If you're tired of dealing with tangled cords and limited connectivity in your car, it might be time to upgrade. That's where wireless Apple CarPlay adapters come in. Not only do they provide seamless connectivity for your iPhone, but they also make your driving experience more convenient and enjoyable. But with so many options out there, it can be hard to choose the right one. That's why in this video, I'll be covering the top 5 wireless Apple CarPlay adapters. Whether you're a daily commuter or a road trip enthusiast, I'll help you find the perfect adapter for your needs. All the links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Please note that the products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned so you don't miss anything. Number 5 is the AutoCast U2 Air. This is the most stylish wireless CarPlay adapter on our list. It's a compact and efficient device that transforms factory-installed wired CarPlay systems into wireless ones. This adapter ensures a seamless connection by using Bluetooth for initial pairing and 5 GHz Wi-Fi for stable and high-speed data transmission. It's designed for vehicles manufactured in 2016 and later with built-in wired CarPlay and supports iPhones starting from the iPhone 6 series and newer, though it is not compatible with Android phones or aftermarket head units. Setting up the device is straightforward. You have to simply plug it into your car's USB port, and it automatically connects to your iPhone within 7 seconds. The device offers full integration with CarPlay features, allowing access to navigation, calls, messages, and music apps through your car's infotainment system without the need for cables. Voice commands via Siri provide hands-free control, enhancing safety and convenience during driving. Its sleek, modern design complements any car interior, and its portable size makes it unobtrusive. While the adapter excels in providing a lag-free experience, the incompatibility with specific car models, such as some Skoda and BMW vehicles, may present limitations. Users praise the U2 Air for its ease of use, fast boot times, and reliable performance. Many note it eliminates the hassle of cables, adding flexibility and convenience. However, some users report occasional connectivity or sound quality issues. Overall, it's a practical and cost-effective solution for upgrading to wireless CarPlay. Number 4 is the Magic Link. This is the most user-friendly device on our list. This adapter is compatible with most cars manufactured from 2015 onward and supports iPhones running iOS 10 or later. Its plug-and-play setup ensures a straightforward installation. Users connect it to their car's USB port, pair their iPhone via Bluetooth, and enjoy automatic wireless connectivity on subsequent uses. This eliminates the hassle of repeatedly plugging in and out. This adapter's standout features include its sleek design that blends seamlessly with any car interior and adaptive display resolution to suit different vehicle screens. The device has an input of 5 volts and 1 ampere via USB-C and an output of 5 volts and 1 ampere through USB-A with a power consumption of just 0.75 watts. It also supports automatic pairing for multiple devices and vehicles, making it ideal for multi-car households or shared use. Customer reviews highlight its ease of setup and convenience, with many appreciating the clutter-free wireless functionality. However, opinions on connectivity and lag are mixed. While most users report a reliable experience, a few note occasional delays. Overall, it's a good option for those who want to change their wired CarPlay to wireless while staying within budget. Number 3 is the Carlin Kit 5.0. This is the most versatile wireless CarPlay adapter on our list. It's a robust solution for transitioning from wired to wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. It's designed for cars with factory-installed wired CarPlay systems and simplifies connectivity by enabling seamless wireless functionality. It supports both iPhones iOS 10 and above and Android devices Android 11 and newer, offering broad compatibility across devices. The adapter uses a fast 5.8 GHz transmission rate to ensure low latency and smooth performance, minimizing disruptions such as lag or delays in audio and navigation. Its plug-and-play setup makes installation straightforward. Connect the adapter to your car's USB data port, pair your smartphone via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and access your apps wirelessly on the vehicle's infotainment screen. The compact design adds portability, making it convenient for users who switch vehicles frequently or travel. An additional highlight is the over-the-air upgrade capability, which ensures that the adapter stays updated with the latest features and bug fixes without needing manual intervention. This future-proof design caters to evolving technology trends and user needs. Users praise the ease of setup and reliable wireless connection, but express mixed opinions on sound quality and occasional connectivity issues. While some report quick and consistent connections within seconds, others note delays or intermittent functionality. Despite this, the adapter is widely appreciated for its convenience and value, as it eliminates the need for physical cables while maintaining a clean and efficient user experience. And if you want to know the latest prices of the wireless Apple CarPlay adapters discussed in this video, be sure to click the links below. And if you're having a good time watching this video, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button. Number 2 is the Carplay Kits wireless adapter. This is the most compact device on our list that transforms your driving experience by converting factory-installed wired CarPlay systems into wireless. It's designed for vehicles from 2016 onwards and supports iPhones running iOS 10 and newer. With a plug-and-play design, it connects via USB Type-A, allowing quick and straightforward installation without additional software. It features robust 5 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity for stable and lag-free performance. Once paired, it automatically reconnects within moments of entering your car. Its low-latency design ensures seamless transitions between navigation, music, and calls, maintaining the functionality of your vehicle's original infotainment system. This adapter is compatible with most factory systems, making it versatile across a broad range of models. In terms of build quality, the CP1 is praised for its sleek, durable design that integrates well with various car interiors. The wireless functionality preserves full access to the touchscreen, steering wheel controls, and voice commands, enhancing both safety and ease of use. Users appreciate the convenience of ditching cables, noting that the device streamlines dashboard aesthetics while maintaining functionality. Many highlight its quick setup and auto-connect features as standout benefits. However, some users report occasional lag or connectivity issues, particularly with older infotainment systems or under heavy data usage. Overall, it is a practical solution for drivers seeking a clutter-free and efficient upgrade to their in-car entertainment system. Number 1 is the AutoSky Box Light. This is the best value adapter on our list that transforms factory-installed wired CarPlay systems into wireless, enhancing in-car entertainment and functionality. The device supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, allowing seamless integration with your smartphone for accessing maps, music, calls, and messages without the hassle of cables. Equipped with a 5 GHz Wi-Fi module, the AI Box Light ensures fast, lag-free connections for smooth performance. It features plug-and-play compatibility via USB-C or USB-A, making installation straightforward for most vehicles. The device supports a variety of apps, including Netflix and YouTube, enabling streaming directly through the car's infotainment system. However, simultaneous use of Android Auto or CarPlay with streaming services may require additional configuration. The AI Box Light is designed for vehicles equipped with factory-installed wired CarPlay from major brands like Toyota, Honda, Volkswagen, and BMW, among others, making it versatile across a wide range of models. While users appreciate the convenience of wireless connectivity, some report occasional issues with lag or disconnections during extended use. The product is backed by customer support from a US-based company, including regular over-the-air updates to maintain compatibility with evolving systems. Overall, it's ideal for drivers seeking to modernize their vehicle's infotainment experience, and there you have it. We hope this selection simplifies your decision-making process and makes your quest for the perfect wireless CarPlay adapter much easier. And if you guys found this video valuable, we would love it if you hit that subscribe button, and be sure to check out the description for the links to find the latest pricing on all the products mentioned. Until next time.